Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Pisces placements. This is your general and the person on your mind reading this July. Okay, so syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre po, again, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin at ganun rin pagdating po sa ating mga items. Yes, para sa mga bago dyan. Oo. So yeah, we do have charms. Okay, so meron tayong mga evil eye protection. So meron tayong ring. This is adjustable yung ring natin. So meron din tayong bracelets. Okay, and necklace. So yung bracelet natin is available sa dalawang uri. Oo, isang adjustable and isang garterized po, no? So pareho silang unisex. Oo. And syempre yung ating necklace. Yeah, unisex. Minimalist lang yung kanyang pendant. So ito yung eye. Okay, so meron siyang blue stone doon sa center. Okay, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, 16 to 18 inches long yung kanyang chain. Kasama na po yung extender. Okay? And syempre, pagdating sa ating, ito yung the best. Oo. So, the 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So, we do have here citrine stones. Okay? Citrine is like a merchant stone. Okay, ginagamit ng mga business owners. Yan, mga ganyan. So, nananawag talaga siya, nagmamagnet talaga siya ng pera, ng money, sa sales. Okay, customers, clients. Yan, mga ganyan po, no? So, yan siya. So, yan, makikita nyo naman siya. Andyan siya, yung ating mga citrine. Okay, this is not for love only, kundi sa money rin. So, kung lalaki ka, gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay po? Red pouch. Yes. So, for love and for money. Okay? So, nandyan yung mga citrine natin. Anyway, you have to use this kasama ang evil eye protection para maproteksyonan po yung mga pwede niyang ibigay sa'yo. Okay? Hindi basag ang ibibigay, hindi kulang, hindi nasabutahe. Okay? Ganun po ha. Sana naintindihan nyo yun. And syempre, yung ating granter necklace. Oo. Yung taga-grant po ng mga minamanifest. Madalas ang minamanifest is sana makapasa ako, makapasa sa board, mabigyan ako ng visa to travel, tawag dyan, sana kami ay manalo sa kaso. Yan po yung mga minamanifest ng mga taong kumukuha ng ating granter. And yes, syempre naman, no, nagagrant at nagagrant. Oo. Minsan nga, alam nyo, may nag-message sa akin. Alam mo, Miss Fia, nung nakuha ko tong si granter, kinabukasan, nabigyan ako ng 500,000. Okay, 500,000 as inheritance. Okay? Parang inheritance. Parang bigay lang sa kanya. Hindi ko papangalanan. Pero alam mo kung sino ka. Oo. I don't know. Yeah, kung Pisces ka. Anyway, sinabi ko lang, shinare ko lang yung sayo. No? So, marami akong nakukuhang magandang feedback nitong granter at nito ni love and money bracelet natin. No? Anyway, so I don't need to post it on the SOCMED, no? O para lang masabi na ganito, ganyan. It's up to you. Okay, just up to you. So, yeah. Yun ang ating granter. So, again, tagapagbigay rin to ng weekly surprises. Okay, weekly surprises. So, again, yung ating cord cut. Yan. Pampagaan sa buhay. Pangalis, MALAS. Pangalis alat. No? So, ano ba yan? So, sa tingin ninyo, dati naman is okay yung aming benta, whatsoever. Pero bakit ganon, Miss Pia? Parang kami ay parang inaalat ata ngayon. Parang ganyan. So, ito yung kailangan nyo. Okay? yung ating cord cut. Hindi kasi natin alam kung anong dahilan, kung sino ang nagbibigay sa inyo ng MALAS or kaalatan. No? So, in general, lalahatin na natin yun. Ito na lang. Okay, subukan nila. O, diba? Oo. So, okay, yun ang ating mga charm. So, kung meron pong tanong, message na lang po. Okay? So, there. So, let's see. For you, Pisces. Pisces. What's for you in general ngayong July? This July for Pisces placements. What is for our Pisces? The Six of Pentacles in reverse. May magbabayad or may makakapagbayad na this July. Page of Wands in reverse. Kung sino man tong atrasado. Okay? Atrasadong magbayad, may chance makapagbayad ngayong July. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles. Some of you may chance na parang may babayaran kayo pagdating sa isang travel. Or gagastos kayo pagdating sa isang travel ngayong July. What else? The High Priestess in reverse. The Six of Swords in reverse. So, yung energy dito, some of you, meron kayong mga babalikan na kung ano man, sabihin nating pwedeng, dati ginagawa mo and then itinigil mo, tapos babalikan mo ulit. Something like that. Ganun yung energy in general. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Wands in reverse. Parang natigil. Pero this July, may chance na babalikan mo. Sana hindi person. Okay, I'm hearing hobby. A hobby. Okay? Parang, dati ginagawa ko nga yan. Pero, yeah, ngayong July, parang napapag-isipan ko nga na gusto kong gawin muli. Parang ganon. Okay? Yeah, the Tower. I don't know. Mayroon lang talagang parang isang dahilan na makukuha mo or makikita mo para gawin mo ulit. Something like that. I don't know if this is talking about your fitness, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, what else for Pisces? The Three of Wands. Okay, Chariot in reverse. May uuwi galing sa malayo. May gustong umuwi galing sa malayo. The Sun in reverse. I'm hearing surprise. A surprise. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong parang palagi ka na lang lalabas or magta-travel ngayong July. Some of you, you're a homebody. Lagi kang nasa bahay or maybe you're working sa bahay. Parang ganyan. Okay? And then, may isipan mo na makalabas-labas nga or makapag-travel this July. Makapunta nga sa ganitong destinasyon ngayong July. Or magkakaroon ka ng plano. Okay? What's with this Chariot in reverse? Again, the Magician. Nakita ko to kanina na naka-reverse. Huwag nyo po munang pagsasabi yung mga plano nyo na gusto nyong gawin this July or sa mga susunod pang mga buwan. Okay? Ayaw nating masabotahe to. Pwede nga evil eye kayo, ha? Okay? May naghihintay dito ng kung ano man. Okay? Yeah, the Seven of Swords. I don't know. Pwede kasing magagaya nila yung plano mo, whatsoever, parang ganyan. Lalo na pagdating sa business. Okay? Lalo na pagdating sa mga ikinabubuhay mo. Mga ganyang bagay. Hindi mo kailangan maging open. Okay? So, there. So, tayo tumungo sa person on your mind, Pisces. The person on Pisces mind. Who is this? Anong kailangan mong malaman? dyan sa taong yan. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you! Okay. So, okay. This is too many. Who is this person? Pisces. Judgment in reverse could be a Scorpio. So, may nag-end. May nag-stop na cycle sa inyo ng taong to. And the Ace of Pentacles. The World in reverse. So, I think nagkanya-kanya na kayo nitong taong to, kung sino man. Okay? Nagkanya-kanya na kayo. The World in reverse. Some of you, ginugusto ka ng taong to na magkaroon ka ng, sabihin nating, stability. Okay? Or may nahinto dito pagdating sa mga plano. I don't know. Pwedeng nakita yung isa't isa na pwedeng makasama ninyo yung isa't isa habang buhay, mga ganyang bagay, pero natapos. Nag-end. Or this person wanting na magkaroon ng, yun nga, step up, pag level up pagdating sa situation. Wag pong kunin lahat kung alam nyo hindi naman lahat is pwedeng inyo, na? So, kinuha ko lang lahat ng pwede, kung anong energy. So, anong meron sa sitwasyon? Anong kailangan mong malaman? The Knight of Swords. The Three of Swords. Meron ditong parang gustong-gustong makaalis sa isang sitwasyong hindi maganda. Okay? Meron ako nakukuhang energy na parang kumukuha ng dahilan or kumukuha ng isang paraan para makakope or para makaalis sa isang sitwasyong nandoon nagbibigay ng pain, hatred, or what. Okay? In a way na parang nagmo-move on siya. I don't know who's who. But yeah, somebody's too sad. Andun yung energy ng panghihinayang sa connection. Ayaw na lang din parang magfo-focus sa nawala, sa naiwan, sa nasira. Okay? So, anong emosyon niya, Pisces? Anong emosyon? Justice, yeah. Alam mo, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, may panghihinayang or regrets, energy ng pag-iisip. This is like kasi biglaan Hindi masyadong napagplanuhan kung sakali. Gusto nga niya na magkaroon kayo ng forever. Pero yun nga lang, parang inalisan niya yung sitwasyon kasi parang ang nakikita na lang niya is yung negative side. So it's like nasayang. May nasayang. Some of them, they're blaming themselves right now. Parang, bakit ko ginawa yun? Bakit ko sinabi to? Or whatsoever? Bakit ako nakipaghiwalay? Yeah, we do have hiwalayan here, the Three of Swords. Or, bakit ako kumuha or tumingin sa iba, or bakit ako hindi na kontento na lang, mga ganong bagay. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Now they have regrets. They have regrets a lot. Ngayon bumabalik sa kanila, nagsisisi tong taong to, Pisces. What is their next action? The King of Swords in reverse and the Hierophant in reverse. Wala. Pagsisisi. Hindi sila marunong magtiis, hindi sila marunong mag-commit. Okay, the Nine of Wands, they're just like hiding, avoiding the situation. It's like wala namang mangyayari na. Okay? Anong advice for you, Pisces? Dito sa connection na to. The Queen of Wands in reversed. The Knight of Wands in reversed. Pisces, wag mong hayaan yung sarili mong mawala sa ruta. Some of you, yes, this is masakit. Yeah. Hindi inaasahan. Hindi mo iniisip na hahantong kayo sa ganito. Pero hindi mo kailangang mag-play the field. Okay? Hindi mo kailangang kumuha or gumawa. I don't know if this is talking about a rebound or something na pwedeng mag-aanyong escape sa'yo. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan gawin yon. Don't settle for less, some of you. You don't need to settle for less. Okay? Knight of Wands is here in reversed. The King of Pentacles. Some of you, mas kailangan mo mag-focus sa kaperahan. Wag mong ialis sa sarili mo yung alam mong hindi naman naaalis. Okay? Kasi yung iba dito, hindi na ako makagawa ng ganito, ganyan, kasi wala na akong motivation whatsoever. Hello? Hello? Sa isip mo lang yun. Pero kung sa tingin mo makakatulong yun, then go. Hindi naman ikaw yan eh. Like, sabihin natin, nung dumating naman yung taong yan, wala namang nangyaring sabihin nating siya talaga yun, naging motivation mo. Hindi na ikaw yan eh. Parang ganon, hindi na ikaw yung dating ikaw. May mga chance na pwedeng mayroon ka nang inialis sa sarili mo just because of this situation or just because of that people, of that person. Parang kailangan ko lang siya para maibalik ko sa sarili ko yung mga dating nawala. You know, you don't need that. Hello. Okay? Kasi kung sino ka, yun ka. You don't need anybody para maibalik kung anong nawala sa'yo. Nawala yung confidence mo. Yeah, nawala yung confidence mo. Some of you. Okay? So, let's see who else. Who else? Who is this person? The person on your mind, Pisces. Let's check. The Ten of Pentacles. They could have money. Okay? The Ten of Pentacles. They have money, maybe. Yeah, Ten of Cups. Oh. The Lovers in reversed. The Knight of Cups. I'm hearing this energy na pwedeng papasok pa lang, mga Pisces. Okay? Tingnan natin. Kilala mo na ba to or hindi? Anong meron? Kilala mo na ba to or hindi? Who is this person? The Ace of Swords. I think this is new. Hindi mo pa to nakikilala. Okay? This person is not a bomb. They're not a bomb. Okay? So, kung yung person mo, nakakonect mo ngayon is a bomb, wala silang sariling pera, wala silang sariling, sabihin natin, wala silang na-ipoprovide para sa sarili, hindi sila to. Okay? Hindi sila to. Pwedeng makikilala mo pa lang, makikita mo pa lang. This is a brand new person. Brand new. This is a new person indeed. Okay? So, let's see. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Kailan mo ito makikita? Pisces. This is someone new na pwedeng sabihin kung may chance na magkaroon kayo ng happy family or togetherness, parang ganyan. No? Long term. Kailan mo ito makikita? The Three of Swords. Kung ikaw ay healed na talaga. Okay? The Two of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah. Kung healed ka na talaga. The Sun is here in reverse. Some of you, hindi ka pa healed. Nasa ilalim. Tinatago mo lang. Yeah, the King of Cups. Kaya nagkakaroon po ng blockage. No? Emotionally. This is on a higher frequency. High frequency yung person. So, kailangan mong mapunta sa higher frequency rin. Some of you, you're in the lower frequency right now. This is a new person, I think. Okay? So, anong kailangan mo i-expect? Anong meron sa kanya? Death. This is all about changes. Ang dami. Sabihin natin, hindi ka pa nakakita ng ganito. Ganitong uri ng energy. Okay? Some of you, this person, sabihin natin marami din siyang pinagdaanan. Marami, yeah, the Empress Universe. Marami siyang pinagdaanan na pwedeng yun yung ginawa niyang way or dahilan para maging strong. They've been through a lot, I think. This person. Yeah, Temperance Universe. They've been through a lot. Maganda to. Kung makikita nyo to, kung totally matututo ka mag-heal at hindi mo parang ang tawag dyan, pipilitin, okay, yung gusto mo mangyari sa love, then yeah. Anong advice for you, Pisces? Six of Wands. Focus on victory, focus on your worth. Okay, you don't need to chase after love. Okay? Yeah, the Seven of Pentacles. Page of Wands Universe. Page of Swords Universe. Don't entertain lower frequency than yours. Okay? So, yeah, may chance na marami kang pwedeng makilala pa, pero itong taong to, I don't know kung papasok to kasi nasa maganda tong frequency. Madaling pumasok yung mga ka-energy mo or mas lower pa sa'yo. Madali mo makikita yan. Okay? Pero kung nasa higher frequency yan, I don't know. Madali kasing bumaba eh. Kung nasa baba yung tao, madaling bumaba, mahirap tumaas. Okay? Kaya may chance na minsan mas malala pa sa sitwasyon mo yung pinanggalingan ng tao. Tas malala pa siya sa'yo. Yun palagi yung nakukuha mo. No? Oo. Madaling bumaba eh. Mahirap tumaas. Ito nasa higher frequency. Tingnan mo kung kakayanin mo tumaas. Pwede mo siyang makita. Pwede mo siyang makatagpo. Okay? Makikita mo pa na itong taong to is parang red flag. No, they're not. They're a green flag. They are. May isip mo kasi bakit parang red flag? Kasi ang daming magaganda na pwede niyang gawin, pwede niyang ibigay sa situation. So it's like, ay, totoo kaya yun? Yeah. Nagmumukhang red flag. So pwede kasing nasanay tayo sa red flag. Anyway, so there. Let's see. Aries through Pisces for you, Pisces placements. Aries through Pisces. Okay, so Aries, they want connection or maybe reconnection. Taurus, no good cooperation. Some of you, there could be third party involved. Gemini, andun yung energy na parang, should I stay or should I go? Which is which? Parang ganon. So, Cancer, they doesn't want any kind of tension. Some of them, pwedeng i-unblock ka or pwedeng i-unblock mo tong Cancer. So, Leo, energy of healing coming from this Leo, or maybe you have to heal from a Leo. Virgo, they're dropping you. Okay, maybe the situation is not doing great, parang ganyan. The situation is, sabihin natin, hindi nakikiayon. Okay, Libra, one-sided connection. I'm hearing options with a Libra. So, Scorpio, they like you. Sagittarius, they're afraid. They're crying over this. Some of them, they're losing sleep. Capricorn, they have options. Aquarius, they have a lot of secrets. They're sad, by the way. Pisces, this is endings, acceptance. Okay, dyan kay Pisces. Anyway, so there, yun ang aking reading for you. Pisces placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. And yes, yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you again. Goodbye.